Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm taking you through a 5-bedroom apartment with a DSQ that ranges at a price of 34.5 million to 35.5 million. And right next to the entryway, they have this built-in entryway console cabinetry, a spot to place your keys and the small things that you can easily lose. Your first sight when you walk into the room, you first see the dining area. But I'm going to take you first to the sitting room and then I'm going to bring you back to the dining area. This living space is spacious enough for any setup. I'm talking about a big family setup or a small family setup. Let's discuss about this TV wall. Look at the lightings above and below it. And I know we both can agree that these can serve the whole room and actually even the dining area. Now let's check out your indoor balcony. I think we should say that this space gives it magical royalty just from inside. The curtains are drawn out using a functional switch. Now, here's the magic. Imagine drawing out the curtains in the morning and the rays just flowing in gently. So let's go back to the skipped part. This region is flexibly flexible for a large family dinner table or small. And beyond it, there's a kitchen bar where you can serve your kids breakfast from the kitchen while you're still hurrying them along for school. Yeah, if you were raised by an African parent, you can relate to the hurry up, you'll get late, blah blah blah. Yeah, you can pass that trauma to your generation from here. In the kitchen, we have the white countertops that gives you enough space to do your thing. In here, the storage is in plenty. It has a fitted cooker, a vent hood, a sink with ready water taps, with ready water, and oh my god, you have a kitchen island. Your kitchen also has a designated space for a double door fridge and an oven and a microwave. Now let's go to my always favorite part of the kitchen, the tower treats or the KitchenAid storage. This space is generous enough for your other kitchen cooking accessories. Let's go ahead to the DSQ. But before that, I don't know if we should say that the kitchen still continue or... Okay, we have a place where you can clean up your utensils from outside. I'm assuming it's the soffreers. It's a self-contained room with an in-room bathroom. It has wardrobes with space enough to keep your clothes neatly, and beyond it, there's a door that leads to the outside. Now we get a clear view of the space left for the washing machine, and here you can do your laundry conveniently. Let's go ahead to the guest washroom. It's bright, clean, and spacious enough to keep anyone who can access it comfortable. The next door to your right is our first bedroom. If you like, you can still set it up as a home office or maybe a gym. It has a large window that let in the light and the chandelier glows softly. The room is ensuite and the washroom has a shower cubicle and a space which is clean. Next, now the door to your left is our second room. It also has a large window that makes the space bright. This might work well as the kids' bedroom, like considering the decoration on the wall and on the ceiling. Is also ensuite with a bathroom similar to the first bedroom. We move ahead to our royal chambers. The master bedroom, which is the second door on your left. Next on line, we have the walk-in cabinet. They have enough space to keep your clothes neat and enough space to actually pick your clothes with your partner without feeling really squeezed. We have our master bathroom, which is well fitted with a sink and a mirror and a bathtub, a perfect nook to relax after a long day. Now we have the bedroom. It has enough room to walk in comfortably and do your stuff without any struggles. We also have a small space here which you can keep your thingies like perfume accessories, these small things here. There's this glass door that leads to the balcony where you can chillax for morning breeze or evening breeze while you're reading your gazette or just taking morning coffee. Now let's head to the fourth bedroom. It's bright with large windows and a washroom that duplicates the design of the first bedroom. We have enough spacious wardrobe that gives you space to keep your clothes neatly. The final bedroom is bedroom 5. We are welcomed by its ensuite washroom, which is very clean and bright. It's bright and a bit more giving the cozy vibe. We have come to the end of our tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Leave a comment below so that we can know what you think about this home. And as always, your dream home might be closer than you think.